Do you also want to learn German? So hey guys, I'm Ankit here and I'm going to teach you a German language from very beginning. So today I'm going to teach you how to greet someone in German like a pro. Let's start. So first we say hello. So in German we say hallo. Hallo. Then Guten Morgen means good morning. What we say? Guten Morgen means good morning. Then Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good afternoon. Then Guten Abend. What? Guten Abend means good evening. Then Gute Nacht. What we say? Gute Nacht means good night. Then finally we say bye bye. So in German we say Tschüss or ciao ciao. Tschüss or ciao ciao. And if you have to say more formal, then you can say auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. So follow for more such videos and stay tuned.